Dark circles under your eyes happen when the skin beneath both eyes appears darkened. It's different from bruising around one eye from an injury or redness and swelling in one eye caused by an infection. Dark circles under your eyes usually are not a sign of a medical problem. Causes of under-eye dark circles and wrinkles: aging, smoking, sun damage, wrong sleeping habits, unhealthy diet, facial expressions, rubbing your eyes. Dark circles is common problem in this time period. So you will must try under-eye cream to remove dark circles. Today in this video, I will share how to make under-eye cream at home for dark circles and wrinkles. At first you will need 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. Cucumber benefits: shrinks pores, prevents acne, hydrates skin, controls sebum. 1 vitamin E capsule. Benefits of vitamin E oil for face: moisturizes your skin, can prevent UV damage to the skin, prevents free radical, soothes inflammation, treats hyperpigmentation, can help scar and wound healing, can help psoriasis and eczema sometimes. 1 tablespoon of potato juice. Potato juice benefits for skin: anti-aging. Potato helps reduce age spots and wrinkles, skin brightening. Potato juice lightens skin and is thus good for treating dark circles and dark spots. Moisturizing. It is known to retain moisture in the skin, treats acne. Potato is known to reduce skin inflammation that causes acne. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera benefits for skin: moisturizes dry skin, soothes irritated skin, reduces signs of aging, fights acne and blemishes, removes dark circles and puffiness, treats sunburn, relieves eczema and psoriasis, eliminates dead skin cells. Mix it well and your under-eye cream is ready. Apply this under-eye cream daily on your dark circles. Leave it for night and next morning wash your face with any face wash or soap. Freeze it in refrigerator and safe it for 7 days. Thank you watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.